Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. You know me for sharing the best natural recipes. Today we're diving deep into the internet's most viral hair growth secret, rosemary and cloves for hair growth. I'm not just showing you how to make it, I'm showing you the truth about its effectiveness after a full month of consistent use. You're about to see my honest 30-day journey, including the exact recipe, application, and results, good and bad. So, if you want thicker, longer hair, make sure you watch every second of this video. First, let's understand why this combination is so talked about. Cloves for hair growth. They are packed with antioxidants and compounds that improve scalp circulation, reduce hair fall, and even add shine. They literally wake up dormant follicles. Rosemary for hair growth. Often called nature's minoxidil, rosemary stimulates circulation, delivers vital nutrients to hair follicles, and can significantly boost growth. Together, they're a powerhouse for growing long, thick hair in less than 30 days when used correctly. This isn't just an old wives' tale, it's a proven natural remedy. Now, let's get into the world's best remedy for hair growth. Here's how to prepare a rosemary and clove hair tonic. It's super simple, but precision is key for maximum results. Ingredients: a handful of fresh rosemary, about half a cup, 1 tablespoon of whole cloves, 300 milliliters of filtered water. Instructions: start by separating the leaves from the rosemary roots. Ensure your rosemary is fresh for best potency. In a clean pot, add your tablespoon of cloves. Follow with the handful of fresh rosemary. Carefully add 300 milliliters of water. Bring it to a boil, then reduce heat and let it simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Remove from heat, let it cool completely, then filter the liquid into a clean bowl, discarding the solids. Once filtered, transfer your rosemary and clove hair tonic into a spray bottle. This makes application incredibly easy and ensures even distribution. Now, let's talk about how to use this powerful concoction. This is where the real magic happens, and consistency is absolutely crucial for the 30-day challenge. How to use rosemary and cloves for hair growth. Generously spray the mixture directly onto your scalp and hair, focusing on areas of concern. Using your fingertips, gently massage your scalp for 2 to 3 minutes. For best absorption, cover your head with a plastic cap or wrap. Leave it on for at least 2 hours or overnight. Wash your hair thoroughly with water and your regular shampoo. Repeat this process once or twice a week. For my 30-day challenge, I applied it twice a week and recorded every single step. Alright, it's time for the moment you've been waiting for. My 30-day before and after results. Pause for dramatic effect. As you can see from day 1 to day 30, my hair became noticeably thicker, especially along my hairline, and I saw a significant reduction in hair fall. The overall health and shine improved dramatically. This isn't just a slight change. It's a visible transformation that exceeded my expectations for just 1 month. While I can't promise rocket speed growth for everyone, the results are undeniable. So, if you've been on the fence about trying rosemary and cloves for hair growth, I hope my 30-day challenge has convinced you. This recipe is fantastic for lengthening and thickening hair, softening and fixing dry hair, and it's a quick solution to hair loss. I truly hope you found this video helpful and that you're inspired to start your own hair growth journey. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with anyone who needs healthier hair, and leave me a comment below with your own experiences or questions. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more proven natural beauty recipes so you don't miss any of my videos. See you in my next video.